Hello students, Functional English Session 4, Planning and Outing. So let's see the vocabulary first. Vocabulary for activities. A day trip. They are going on a day trip to London. A day at the seaside. They are going to spend a day at the seaside. That is a beach. A day in a theme park. They are going to enjoy a day in a theme park. A shopping trip. We are planning for a shopping trip. Traveling arrangements. So what do we do? How do we travel? Go by coach. Coach is nothing but a luxurious bus. Go by train or take the train. Take a bus. Drive or go by car. Hire a minibus. So set off. So when we leave, we tell it as set off or leave it. And sharp is by what time sharp we leave. Okay, so next, we are going to set off at 8 a.m. or we are leaving at 7:30 a.m. sharp. Get back at the time of return is what we call as get back at. We get back at 8 p.m. And the other terms which we use here are pickup point, time for shopping or sightseeing. A guided tour is nothing but a visit to a museum where a guide is needed to explain. So such a outing we call it as guided tour. A pit stop is nothing but a break in the journey. A short break which we take in between a journey is called as a pit stop. So these are the vocabulary which we should be familiar with. Some more phrases are take a detour. On the way back, we will take a detour into the university. So here we are taking a diversion in the tour and going to visit a new place on the way. The scenic route. When we move towards the upper lake view, it's a scenic route. Other activities, that is other phrases which we can use: a night out with friends, an evening at home, come over for a barbecue, or come over for a dinner. So now, how to make a suggestion for an outing? There are so many ways. Let's see few. Let's go for an outing. Let's go for a picnic. Let's go to the movies. Let's go out for lunch. Let's go shopping and have lunch outside. How about going for a movie? Shall we go for a picnic this Sunday? How about a shopping trip and a lunch afterwards? So when we plan for an outing, we make suggestions and plan, right? So let's see few samples. I will book the cab and you can arrange for the food. You can take care of the plates and glasses. Bring bottles of water, napkins and some more bottles. Can you bring 2 mats or an old bed cover to spread on the grass? Can you book the movie tickets? Can you check till what time the park is open? We can meet at 6 outside the theatre. I will call up Sheila and Rita and see if they want to come along. So an outing can be going for a picnic, going for a movie, going for a lunch or dinner, or going out for shopping. All such outing requires some preparation. So such preparations can be made using these suggestions. We have the assignment, that is the exercise and the assignment available after the session, that is at the end of the session in the e-book. The pages in the e-book are 12, 13 and 14. Please watch the video and finish off your exercise and assessment provided in the e-book. In the pages I am repeating 12, 13 and 14. Thank you guys.